Did you know that Jamaica is a massive melting pot of loads of different cultures and ethnicities? Well, what better way is there to celebrate Jamaican independence than making some real delicious Jamaican fusion food? So here's how we make my jerk chicken udon. Oh my God. We're gonna season our chicken with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, some jerk seasoning, and lastly, some cornstarch. Now in a hot wok or pan, we're gonna brown off our chicken. You see this dark brown color on the chicken? That's exactly what we're looking for. Time for the veg, onions and peppers. I'm adding some cabbage and also garlic. I'm using udon, but you can obviously use whatever type of noodle you like. Time to re-enter our beautiful chicken, which smells so damn good, by the way. And now time for our sauce. So simple, light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, sesame oil and water. Plus, one secret ingredient, Max Delicious jerk. Woo! Now just finish the ting with some scallion and toasted sesame seeds. Woo!